Today we are bringing a true jewel of Milan straight to our kitchen. Risotto alla Milanese, golden, creamy, and infused with saffron. It's one of the most iconic dishes of Italy. For this creamy risotto alla Milanese, you'll need arborio or Carnaroli rice, a good chicken broth, a splash of dry white wine, butter for richness, yellow onion, freshly Parmesan cheese, and of course, the star of the dish, saffron. Start to clean and finally chop a half an onion. Then gently saute onion in a butter until it's turned soft and translucent. Now it's time for the rice, the heart of every risotto. Toasting the rice is an essential step. Next come a splash of dried white wine. It sizzles and evaporates, leaving behind a brightness that balances the richness of the dish. From here, the risotto becomes a labor of love. Warm broth added one ladle at a time, stirred gently until each addition is absorbed. And then the moment of magic. Soften the saffron threads in hot water. Halfway through cooking, add the saffron to the risotto. As we approach the final minutes, we add a generous knob of butter and a handful of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. This step, known as a mantecatura, gives the risotto its irresistible creaminess and depth of flavor. And here it is, risotto alla Milanese, elegant, comforting, and full of history, a dish that captures the soul of Milan. If this recipe inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for more Italian classics and the love we share from our kitchen to yours.